Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Hotpoint WMXTF 942 washing machine. Inside here, it's pretty grotty. There's a kind of a layer of soup in there that shouldn't really be there. So let's see if we can free up these drain holes. There's 3 little drain holes there. They should be clear, but they're not. Let's get a chopstick and see if we can work that in there. Oh, there's a little toothbrush on the end of this. It'll only ever drain to that level, but let's see. If we lift it up, it's still not draining. Look, it's all full of lumps and crud. Let's work a bit more on that, please. Oh, man.
Gross.
Yeah, gross. You really need to do this all around and clean out all that. To see where these holes come through. Is it there? Yeah. This might help a bit, but there's all that black sludge in between the drums, so when the silver looks clean, you need to boil it up at 90 a few times. With some bleach and some towels in it to slap around or something. Yeah, look, it's draining now.
Yay!
So those 3 holes you need to keep clean, because then otherwise the water's always there and it's always damp. So is it going to drain through? Yeah, it's draining out now. Slowly, but that's fine. See the bits going in? Yeah, gross. So that'll need a full scrub, but that's not going to be in this video. I just got those 3 little holes clear and that's flowing out now. So you know what to do. And that's that. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later. Don't let it get like this.